Good morning. This is Bob Mangino. If you're having trouble selling your Naples real estate, adding a bidding platform to your listing might be the magic sauce to get your property sold. Easy Real Estate Platform can be added to your listing. It provides an online bidding platform that can add excitement around your property by adding benefits for both the seller and the buyer. The seller can benefit by listing their property on the MLS well below market value to drive more traffic to their property, and the bidding process can drive the price up. A seller retains the option to accept, reject, or negotiate all offers. Seller benefits from bidding process producing offers in a shorter period of time, no more 12-month listing contracts. First buyer registers on the website by producing proof of funds and signing an addendum listing all commissions, fees, and bidding platform rules. Buyer benefits by making all offers straight from their home computer without having to write up a purchase and sales contract. A buyer benefits from knowing that the seller will see their offer immediately, no more waiting for the agent to present offers to seller. Buyer benefits from seeing all other offers immediately so they know what price point to outbid their competitors. For more information on this bidding platform, schedule a free Zoom call to answer all your questions. Call 404-242-6498. Hope to hear from you. Have a good day.